Hi guys, so today I will be talking about Equate Dry Eye Relief Lubricant Eye Drops. Refreshes dry eyes, soothing relief, artificial tears, and at the bottom it just says sterile. This is 1 fluid ounce, 30 milliliters, and yeah, so I'm just gonna flip it over. And whenever I start talking about a product, I'm like one to give backstories because like I personally enjoy hearing the way people came about the product, so I like doing that, and then I'll get into the product. But I am a huge Equate fan, and I always say this, like everybody who knows me, they're like, you never have anything on a brand. Like my whole house is Equate. Even moving into my new apartment, everybody was like, oh my goodness, like Equate should sponsor you. And I love Equate, guys. I didn't start using anything Equate until I got in college, and I had to be like very cautious when it came to my spending habits. And I found that like a lot of Equate products are usually obviously cheaper because they're not like the brand, but also too they work just as well as the normal brand, and to be honest, not just work as much, but like some products like might even work better. So anyways, I love Equate, but I was having a problem, my eyes being dry, especially waking up from naps. Like I literally have the worst irritation in my eyes. I would get soreness, redness, and stuff like that. I visited my eye doctor and everything like that, and he was just like, you know what, like you need to start using eye drops. And so the eye drops that he actually requested were 3 times as much more expensive as these. And when I came about this problem, I was a junior in college, so I was just kind of like, I'm not spending that much on eye drops. So I knew I needed eye drops, but I obviously was not willing to spend as much money as he wanted me to spend on the product that he wanted me to get. So I was just like, you know what, like I'm gonna see if there's an alternative. So I went to my handy dandy friend Equate, which I love, and found out that they had eye drops. So the thing that I love about just this product and like this is that it doesn't irritate my eyes even more. I found that other eye drops that I've used in the past, they've made my problem worse, which is weird because you're supposed to be like adding like solution to your eyes, like it's supposed to give your eyes relief and stuff like that, and it just was not doing it for me. But then when I had tried these, it did all of the above for me. It was great. The little hole is amazing too because I feels like whole waterfall is not going in my eyes. It feels like just the right amount. And then on top of everything, on top of that, it's very like it can be stored nicely. Like I don't have to worry about me dropping it and it's gonna spill. And I know you guys are probably like, spill what? That has actually happened with one of the other eye drops things that I've had. Apparently I wasn't paying close enough attention to the cap and it ended up spilling, which is weird. But yeah, I don't have to worry about this. It's easy accessible, and if you guys have kids too, you guys can twist it on good enough to the point where you don't have to worry about your kids trying to break into it or get into it. And I know for me, the biggest thing for me is whenever I spend my money, I just want to know that I'm going to get my money's worth and I'm not going to run out of it in 2 days. And so this is kind of an older bottle, and I've had this one for about 3 months now. I don't use this every night because it only like my dry eyes only happen when I'm like extremely tired, and I find that I'm waking up from naps and everything like that. Yeah, I usually don't have the problem like okay, so I have the problem not every day, but it happens occasionally for me enough to buy eye drops. And then something else that I want to talk about that is probably my favorite part about this product too is the size of it. I don't know if I am the only person who does this, but I am a middle of the day napper. So what that means is that I believe that if I wake up in the same day, it's still a nap. And so I usually will take this with me, especially when I'm like traveling or I'm on a plane or I'm even on a train. I tend to fall asleep a lot, and that's usually when my dry eye symptoms occur, is when I'm asleep or taking a nap or things along that line, it's like a hit or miss for me. And so I'd rather be safe than sorry. So I love the size. It's like a travel size. I love the size of this because I can just pop it in my purse and then I wake up, dry eyes, no problem. Equate here to save the day. But yeah, so guys, I really hope that this video helped. And like I said before too, I love Equate, and I feel like this works just as good as any other dry eye relief would work. But just again, this is just the Equate Dry Eye Relief Lubricant Eye Drops. Refreshes dry eyes, soothing relief, artificial tears. And this is just a 1 fluid ounce bottle, and it's inexpensive and it works super well. So yeah.